My name's John. I'm the York St John Energy Officer in charge of utilities and building management systems. So I'm going to talk a little bit about how we source our sustainable energy. So as can be imagined, we use quite a lot of energy across the whole campus and on our satellite units. And we purchase this through a company called the Energy Consortium, who were briefed to getting us not only the best price, but obviously green, low carbon energy. So at the moment, they have chosen for us EDF, who are currently the lowest carbon producing energy supplier in the UK. And last year, only 3.5% of their energy actually came from coal-fired power stations. So the rest of it was nearly carbon neutral. And in 2019, they produced over 42,000 gigawatt hours of carbon-free electricity. As part of our deal with them, we signed 2 years ago a PPA agreement to ensure that a certain percentage of our electricity actually came from totally renewable supplies, which are wind farms. So there are 4 wind farms that they use, which is the Elk Wallace in Wales, the Andershaw, the Bailey, and the Berryburn, which are 3 wind farms in Scotland. Gas, unfortunately, is gas, and there's not a lot we can do about that. However, what we're trying to do across the campus is cut down on the amount of gas that we use. Part of this project is when we refurbish our student accommodation, we're taking out the gas heating and we're putting in electric heating. To ensure that this is efficient, we're using a system called Prefect, which ensures that the heating is controlled within each space that's heated. So each student room has its own heater that's set to a comfort level, and we give the students the ability to press a boost button and increase the heating slightly if they're cold. But this system is getting so sophisticated now that it can tell if nobody's in the room, so that it can turn the heating down. It can tell if somebody's opened a window so that it can once again turn the heating off, because if you've got your window open, why would you want your heating on? Other things we're doing is on some student accommodation where we haven't put in electric heating yet, we're putting in a system called Insight, which actually controls the gas central heating. And once again, it's similar to the Prefect system. It's not quite so technology advanced, but it is saving the amount of gas we use, and obviously the less amount of gas we use, the least carbon we use. Across the campus, we use a complete BMS system to control all the heating. And along with that, as we replace systems on the campus, we're moving away from gas and moving more towards electricity. So for instance, last year we refurbished fountains and we got rid of most of the gas boilers that control the heating of the air going in, and now everything is on an electrical DX system.